Hello everyone, welcome to what is this channel. This is very old real camera.
Oh, we buy this camera 20 year ago. My brother was he collect some money and buy this camera from Southern Market.
Oh my god, 20 years ago, that time we were very small.
Yeah, we were 4 feet in height.
Yes, now we are big. Now
Now we are
look at
five
the
seven.
look at this beautiful old vintage camera.
Uh,
Now open
I
it.
I think this camera has no special features, and this is very simple. Uh, Two battery operated camera and the color sensitive optical disc.
I think it has some kind of thermal image system to capture the picture.
Mm, i- the old camera system uses light sensitive reel which uh, take affected by the light.
Now we are finding another screw to open this case. This is very hard and tricky part of this video. Don't forward please.
I am surprised that how so many parts only just for one camera. These companies were legend.
Oh yes, this is made from I think Japan. Japanese people are very much
Ve-
intelligent.
Very intelligent and very sincere with their work. Oh no.
This is very outclass and amazing fitting by Japanese.
You will find a surprise.
Look at this. You need to break this side of the camera to
It,
open
it
it.
was very hard
Be
to
careful and don't damage it.
it was very hard to disassemble this camera, so we break one side.
Do not damage anything and be careful in opening this camera.
Look, this is the battery case, and
This is
we did not
something.
remove it without damage, and we break one
Oh
side. Oh,
yes, open. We done it.
look
Oh
look
yes.
look at this, so many parts at joined together in this small place.
Very creative camera.
Oh no, look at this. There are many gear systems and springs and some circuits to flashlight and timing
I
system.
don't
Oh no.
understand how they assemble this camera.
The assembler was legend at that time.
This is very something unique piece of that time.
Oh, look at this. This is shuttle lock. It's a shutter lock, and
This is camera options.
this is a reel counter.
Okay.
Is the picture counter actually.
Today's kids don't even know this thing.
I think this
This is a camera lens shutter.
its era has gone. I think I you can't find any shop who will
Yes.
give you this.
This is very
Stuff.
antique piece. We open it and only for your viewers.
We destroy our very expensive camera
Only
only for you
only
and
for your
only
education.
for your knowledge.
It can be sold for millions of dollars, but
But
we didn't sold it.
we did not care about the money. We want only spread knowledge for upcoming
Yes.
pupils.
We don't love money. We love education.
We never monetize our channel, only we spread the knowledge and
Yes.
kindness for humanity.
Knowledge for humanity should be free. No money.
Don't give us money. We
Look
don't
at
need
this.
money.
Look at this part. This is very creative Oh my god, what is this?
This is the supporting clip for
Now
wires.
we are opening the lens of the camera.
Look at
Yes,
this lens.
here we
This
go.
is the
This is the
this is the
camera
secret
lens.
of this camera. Light go through this
Look at
this
the
lens.
look at the table.
And effect to the light
Look at the
sensitive.
6 dots.
Oh wow, these 6 dot are 6 LEDs.
Oh my god, this is creative thing I have ever seen in my life.
Oh no, look how many
Too
screws.
many, how many screws? There are too much screws in this camera.
Oh no, every part have his own function.
What a creative thing. This open the shutter to capture the image.
When the shutter open, it quickly flash the light, and the light
Now-
sensitive plate
Look
Tech-
at this, wow. What a creative thing the Japanese made.
wow, Japanese are very creative.
Look at the shadow.
and intelligent.
What a amazing shadow.
Nobody will show you this stuff.
These things nobody will cover in their video, only we take time to educate
we
you.
give you the deep knowledge of
And
camera
we
system.
and we destroy our antique piece which can be sold in millions of dollars. Please subscribe
but
us.
we don't care money. We only care about
We
the
upload
knowledge,
video almost
the
each
hospitality.
on weeks. This is amazing. Look
you
at
can
the
see this wiring in this small place. They very intelligently joints everything together.
we used only plus and minus screwdriver for all the work. This is also very amazing from us.
You can see the bunch of
How many
many
wires?
things joined
Oh
together
my, how
in this
they
small place.
joined these cables?
Oh no. And it's amazing.
This is very amazing thing I have ever seen. Too many screws, too many plastic and wires, and the complete piece of art.
Look at this. This is the real operating system, which wind the real.
Now we are opening its dashboard of the front camera system, buttons and all the
Oh, this is the circuit, flashlight circuit, and
amazing. This is very.
कर रही
We
है?
are shorting the capacitor if there is any
yeah. Don't
charge
forget
in
to
it.
short this capacitor, otherwise you will
Yes.
shout.
This is very high power capacitor for the flashlight. Now we are opening these all cables and the light shutter only for you guys to educate
Look,
you.
we damage our
Yes, this is how we open
expensive
it.
camera only for you.
Amazing.
Look at this capacitor. It's a very high power capacitor, and it's charged only
How they
by
made
two
it 20 years ago.
cell.
20 years old camera. Amazing.
The circuit.
What is this?
This is the motor to rewind the reel.
Okay.
Each picture, after every picture, it move and bind one side.
This okay. All the parts on the table of the old vintage reel camera.
Look at this. There are so many parts.
The body, case,
Oh no,
Oh
look
my
at this.
god, all the parts.
screws.
Screws, how many? Oh my god.
Springs and gears.
Other side of the case.
Oh
Lens, motor,
no.
capacitor,
I can't
flashlight.
believe
All
that
these things
all
are
these
made
thing-
20 years ago. Oh my
all
god.
this thing was in this small camera. Wow.
Please subscribe us. We are making these kinds of video almost each week. Too many
Whoa.
wires.
That's amazing.
Lens.
You can use this lens in your other project.
This is very amazing. Oh my god. Don't forward the video. Watch completely. We know the video is very lengthy. It's very big video. This is the lens
a
to
focusing
watch.
lens.
Focusing lens to watch the real picture from eye. Amazing. Look at the difference between camera and mobile camera. Oh wow. We love making this kind of video.
Please subscribe
We-
us and
Yes.
tell your relatives and friends to subscribe us.
Yes, yes. This is very important.
Oh wow.
We have many things to open and we will making video for these kind of things. Look at all the parts on the table. The plastic.
The wiring and circuits and motor.
Everything you will get in this video and all the other video. Please subscribe us. Don't forget to subscribe us, please. Please, please, please subscribe us. Oh my god. Lens, motor, capacitor, wires, plastic, body of the camera. Amazing. All vintage real cameras it is. Completely detailed video for you guys. Please subscribe us.